Today we're comparing the new Galaxy Tab A11 Plus and the ever popular Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. What's the difference? Is it worth the upgrade? Should you hit the hype button down below so more people see this video? Is this too many questions? Yes. One nice upgrade with the Tab A11 Plus is it now starts with 128 gigabytes of storage versus only 64 on the A9 Plus. You can also go up to 2 terabytes on the micro SD card on the A11 Plus versus 1 terabyte for the A9 Plus. One other small difference is the Tab A11 Plus is a tad lighter now at 477 grams versus 480 for the A9 Plus. Unfortunately, they also added this nice sharp edge here on my tablet. Hopefully yours isn't like that. If it is, I'd probably just put a case on it. There's only 2 color options now. You've got gray or silver. I think after having the navy blue color, I think I'm okay with that. Definitely looks cleaner with the lighter colors. Now, as far as the displays go, at first glance, these two look like the same 11-inch TFT display, but the Tab A11 Plus is a little bit brighter at 480 nits versus 400 on the A9 Plus. I think some people have mentioned how large the bezels look on the A11 Plus, but when you put these two next to each other, I think they're the same. Both of these are also up to 90 Hz refresh rate. Apparently the A11 Plus also uses Panda Glass, which has better scratch and impact resistance, so better durability on the newer tablet. As far as battery life goes, the A11 Plus did last a little bit longer at 6.5 hours in my typical battery drain test at 100% screen brightness versus 6 hours for the A9 Plus. And you also get 25 watt fast charging instead of 15 watts on the A9 Plus. Probably one of the biggest upgrades going from the A9 Plus to the A11 Plus is gonna be the 7 years of software updates. I mean, just guess how many companies are doing that many years with cheaper tablets like this? Yeah, like none. I mean, technically the iPad 11 is probably going to be close to that, but it's also more expensive. If you're wondering whether either of these have video out, where you can use an HDMI adapter to connect to a TV, projector, or external monitor, no, neither one has that, unfortunately, which I kind of figured considering only their flagship S11 series has that. The Tab A11 Plus is currently on Android 16 versus Android 15 for the A9 Plus, so things will look slightly different. Now, other parts of the software is going to be very similar, like Samsung DeX. You get the Edge panel over on the side, the taskbar down at the bottom, so you can easily switch back and forth between apps. Samsung News or Google Discover newsfeed left of the home screen. A couple other small differences is you've got Bluetooth 5.3 now instead of 5.1, and the A11 Plus also is now IP52, so it can resist dust and light water drops officially, where the A9 Plus doesn't. You'll also notice they switched the power and volume buttons there on the side to match the other new Samsung tablets and of course their phones. For some reason they did get rid of the pogo pins on the bottom. Apparently they don't think too many people that buy this tablet are gonna need a keyboard case. Performance-wise is another nice upgrade, going from the Snapdragon 695 in the A9 Plus to the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 in the A11 Plus. As you can see by the benchmark results, it's a pretty nice increase in performance for multi-core scores and GPU performance as well. Performance was one area I feel like the A9 Plus definitely needed upgraded. They also increased the base model from 4 gigabytes of RAM up to 6 gigabytes now, so games are gonna load a little bit quicker and just be that much better during gameplay or even just multitasking. This is a nice step in the right direction in my opinion. You still have the headphone jack there on the corner, so that's good to see. Now when it comes to the speakers, you will notice they updated the style, again to match the Tab S11 series, the S10 Lite. To me, they feel pretty similar as far as how loud the speakers are and the quality, maybe actually a tad better on the A9 Plus. But here's a quick sample of each, just to give you an idea of what they sound like.
As you
As far as cameras go, the specs seem to be the same as far as an 8 megapixel on the back, 5 megapixel on the front, and then 1080p resolution for video recording. I think with processor updates, it just looks like the A11 Plus has better cameras, even if technically it doesn't. Here's a few quick samples just to give you an idea of how they compare. So is this upgrade worth it? Well, do you want better battery efficiency? Do you want faster charging, plus a little brighter screen and 7 years of software updates? I think everyone should probably say yes, 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 and yes. Hopefully this gave you what the differences are between these two tablets. If I wasn't clear enough from this video, hit the hype button down below and go get your Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Yes, it's better. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.